This video is to show you how to navigate the online textbook from typing into a web browser for environmental science. The first thing that you need to do is up in your browser address, you're just going to type in Pearson Realize, and then it will take you there. You may have to click on a link to take you to this screen, but this is a screen you want to get to. You'll go to sign in, and if your computer doesn't remember you, it may be at this time that you enter the username, which is Lindbergh #1. The password is flyers19. Once you do get to the screen though, you want to click on classes. You don't need programs, you don't need grades, you want to click on classes. And here it gives you a menu. So this is your e-text right here, Environmental Science, Your World, Your Turn, Student Edition. You click on this, you open in a new window, so it opens a completely new tab for the book from the Login tab. And this is essentially a huge PDF of the book, which you can navigate and skip to different chapters by using the window here on the left side. I hope this helps you navigate the online textbook. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. I know this is a bit of a journey, but again, remember the password is Lindbergh #1. Excuse me, the username is Lindbergh #1 and the password is flyers19. Hope this helps.